Okay, I cannot tell you how much I love this bamboo sheet. The just bamboo gives such a luxurious, super silky, luxurious feeling, and it is absolutely perfect for sensitive skin. If you're a hot sleeper, so this is very cooling. It is smooth. It's all of the things, and what I love about it is that it has 15-inch deep pockets with the elastic straps to keep everything in place, so there's no bunching or filling or any of that good stuff. And especially if you have a thick mattress like I do, this is absolutely perfect for that. And the colors may vary, which could be a con. I mean, this is the beige, and it does come in various different colors, but I just absolutely love it, as it's everything that I'm looking for in a mattress. And it holds up extremely well in washing. So I am a repeat client, customer of this brand, and I just really can't recommend it enough. You can even just see like the silky look and feel to it. So I do highly recommend this if you are looking for sheets. The only con is, yes, it's just the sheet. It doesn't come with pillowcases or any of that stuff, but I'm okay with that. I just love this brand and I love the feeling of this. So, you know, I like to get different colors. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for one. I really wish you could feel how soft this is, but yeah, hope you get it.